Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtone on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go. Okay, so all we need to do is we need to go to settings, then we scroll down a little bit, sounds and vibration, scroll down. As you can see, we have phone ringtone SIM slot 1 and 2. You can, because this phone can hold two SIM cards at the same time, so we'll just change SIM slot 1, add ringtone, and you click here, these three lines, then you click audio or downloads. In my case it will be downloads because I just downloaded the file, and you click here. And as you can see, I have custom ringtone. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.